this moment guys, I am using the DJI Mic Mini. So tingnan natin guys kung ano kalayo ang ma-receive ng ating receiver through this transmitter na aking hinahawakan. So I will put the camera here. Okay, so that's it guys. So this time turn off ang kanyang noise cancellation. So punta tayo doon guys. So mga 100 meters, tingnan natin, 100 meters to 150 meters. So sa ngayon guys, talagang maingay dito kasi malakas yung sounds, music, no? Malakas yung music nila. So pupunta tayo sa gate guys. So mga 150 meters away from my GoPro. So tingnan natin kung maka-receive ba yung receiver natin sa aking boses. So dito guys, maingay, malakas ang sounds, malakas ang music. So dito tayo sa gate. Tingnan natin kung aabot ba doon ang aking boses. Kung talagang aabot ba dito ang kuha ng ating DJI. So this is 150 meters. 150 I think. So good morning. Tingnan natin guys. So ito mga almost 200 meters. So maingay dito guys. So ngayon guys, i-turn on na natin ang ating noise cancellation. Okay. Okay, naka-turn on na. So tingnan natin. So ito ang kuha guys pag naka-turn on na ang kanyang noise cancellation. Kanina wala pa yun. So tingnan natin kung maganda ba ang kuha pag naka-turn on na ang kanyang noise cancellation. So ito guys, papalapitan na tayo, mga 100 meters na lang. So I know guys that some of you, many of you are using DJI Mini 2, DJI Mic 2 I should say. But this one, the Mini, is, you know, you cannot compare it to DJI Mic 2 because this is the cheaper version of it. But you know what, maganda pa rin ang kuha niya guys. So ang tanong is, worth it ba ang pagbili ko dito? The answer is yes, very big yes, because ang kuha niya is malinaw din. Malinaw, napakalinaw guys. So ayun guys, ang test natin. So ang layo is mga 150 meters or more. So tingnan natin kung paganda ba ang kuha guys. So that's it for our vlog for today. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless to all guys. Mabuhay.